All right, guys, here we have a quick reminder on how I go about solving inequalities. This would be a polynomial inequality, but this is already in the factored form because it's a little bit crazy. So usually we take all the critical values, which for this polynomial would be the zeros. So I'm going to go ahead and put those on the number line. We've got a positive 4, positive 5, positive 2, negative 2. I think we got all of them there. Okay, so for polynomials, we can think about the end behavior and where it would go and the degree of the polynomial. So if I multiplied all these out, we would get x to the first times x to the first. So that'd be x squared, x cubed, and then 2 more, which would give us, what did we get there? Fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this would be a negative x to the fifth if we multiplied everything out. So we're thinking negative odd, which means on the right side, it would be going down, and on the left side, it would be going up. So after those zeros. So I like to just put like in the zones if it's positive or negative. Some people like to put like a check mark if it works or an X if it doesn't. So however you can check those out going through. So I've got positive and negative on the ends. And then thinking about these, right, negative 2 would be an x-intercept where I have that red point. So since negative 2, and right here, this is our negative 2, is an odd, right, degree, it will cross the x-axis there. So it will cross under our x-axis. And we can think about this for all of them. At positive 2, also an odd degree, right, degree 1, so it's going to cross through the x-axis again. Positive 4, degree 1, going to cross the x-axis again, and kind of by process of elimination, at positive 5, we're bouncing off the x-axis. So I can go through all these. We've got this will be negative, positive, negative, and negative. So for the answer, we want all the zones where our graph is greater than or equal to 0. And I'm going to highlight this or equal to because it's easy to forget that we need to include all of these values. And I want to make this guy, I guess I can't make it anymore. All right. So we want to include all those zeros. So our answer, we're going to take where we are greater than or equal to 0. So positive zone over here, positive zone right here, and we must include all of these zeros. So my final answer in interval notation, negative infinity to negative 2, we are including it. Making sure my zeros are okay here. I think I'm good so far. Union, we've got 2 to 4 is another positive zone. And we finish off with just 5 because that is also an x-intercept. So that would be the solution to this inequality.